Nin explains, get everything you ever wanted, write your own story. Imagine that you could have everything you ever wanted in life. Fast cars, a nice home, a beautiful... let's try that again. Fast cars, a nice home, a beautiful significant other, money, lots of money, your own business, your own butler, fame. Fame! I'm gonna live forever! And one of those cute dogs that no one can figure out what breed it is. You know what? You can have that and more. It doesn't matter what your current circumstances are, whether you're poor, in a crappy job, living on the streets, you can turn it all around and get whatever it is that you want. Other people have created their dream life, and all they did was they decided what they wanted and they figured out the steps that they needed to take in order to get what they wanted. They wrote out their own story years before it even happened. And I'm going to tell you how to do the same. So, how? I want you to grab a sheet of paper and write whatever it is that you want on the right hand side. Bullet point it, write it in a sentence, whatever. Then I want you to imagine what steps you'll need to take before your end goal. Work backwards here. What's next? What happens before you need to do that, before you need to do that? What happens before that? What happens before that? Pretty soon you'll arrive here at the present day. And take a look at what you've written. You've written a blueprint on the steps that you need to take to get whatever it is that you want. All you have to do now is go out there and start doing these things and tick them off one by one. Have some fun with this, guys. You can ask for anything, literally anything. Now, this might seem like a silly little exercise, but by writing it down and drumming it into your brain, you start to feel that this is achievable, especially if you've broken them down into small enough steps. You and your goal get closer and closer together. It's obviously not going to happen on its own. You have to put the work in here. But the point is, at least you know what it is that you want and what you'll need to do in order to get there. I'm not kidding, guys. Grab a sheet of paper, do it now, literally do it now. I'll stand here and wait. Still waiting. Okay, I'm bored of waiting. But the point is, at the very least, it will be a nice fun paper exercise. And at the very most, you'll actually get what you wanted in life. It's free. If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. I go into this process in a lot more detail in my ebook, which you can download from my website. Follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. God, I hope the camera doesn't pick up that I'm absolutely sweating here. Ooh. Screaming kids in the nursery next door. Yay, thank you for ruining my audio.